Leader, Captain Rigor Enriquez, University Commander, Colonel Felizardo Requesha, Philippine Army, University Chief, First Technical Sergeant Alan Montero, Infantry, Philippine Army, and Civil Coordinator, Professor Furukai, Colonel Cornejo, Band Advisor Coordinator, James Pinoza, Assistant Band Director, Mayor Rose Aggie, Major Trader, Sheila A. Malindan, Band Master Trader, James Pinoza, Entry number 47, Santa Cruz State University of Agriculture, Pasao Campus. Next entry. Additional 48, Segala Technological Colleges, Francia University, President, Julio Victor Juan Luis Segala, Commander, Cristal Angel P. Egal, Deputy Commander, Del F. Romero, Colori 1, Adjutant, Christine F. Negales, Colori 2, Jonathan G. Canada, Colori 3, Operation, Colonel Peter F. Tagio.